90% of the communication in the spiritual world goes heart to heart. 9% of the communication goes eye to eye. And 1% of the communication is by speech. That's a very interesting communication system. Mass media, I call it media, mass media. So that wouldn't work very well in this modern world. 90% is heart-to-heart telepathy. And then 9% is eye movements. Radha Kripa Kataksha. And then there's subdivisions in that. In the 9% eye movements, and the eye is divided into 4 parts. One part of the eye is... Anyway, that's a whole other technical discussion. But then, actual words and Brajavash, language, audible language is only 1% of communication of all ideas. Because it's a bhav world. It's a world of bhav. It's a world of prema. Prema and bhav have their own language. They don't need eyes, they don't need words, they just need people.